first let's open the screw. And it says add 15 ml of clear glue. Okay. Okay, now we gotta get one of these sticks and scrape the walls to get as much glue as possible. So now add 25 ml of room temperature water inside. We're gonna be making glitter slime, so we have to add half of the gold glitter. Put this top on. Now remember, only half of the glitter. Mix and gently twirl the twirler. Now remember to hold this bottom and watch the amazing twirls. After you have mixed it thoroughly, add some slime activator. Only up to 5 ml. Okay, now there's a little opening right here. That's where you're gonna pour it. Now mix it all together. Once it starts to become slime, unscrew the bottom. Whoa, cool. Make sure you get the slime off this. Okay. Gotta get all the slime off. You might need your parents' help to get it out of this container. Once you have all it out, play with it around until it becomes unsticky. Make sure to get your hands while you're at it. So here's our finished product, golden slime. Look, it stretches. We just made the glitter slime. Now it's time to make the crunchy slime. So as usual, we gotta add the glue. And now time to put the water. And we gotta add some of this pink paint, only a spoonful. So I got it out and we're pouring it in. Okay, now it's time to add the whole thing. And as usual, we gotta mix. Mix the slime well. Oopsies. And now time to put in the slime activator. Only to 5 ml. Okay. Don't add too much. Pour it inside and continue to mix until slime starts to form. Like this. It should start to form like that. I think this one took a lot more time than the glitter slime. So let's see how this turns out. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So we're just gonna take the slime off this. But let's like work it in our hands and see if this thing works. It's really sticky. It is coming together, so I'm thinking this is not a failure. Not come together because it's still sticking on my hands. I hope you guys enjoyed our video. Please hit the subscribe button and the like button, and we'll see you next time on our next videos.